Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Why do leading packaging companies choose BCS Liner Insertion Machine from Five Fingers Exports? It's simple. We deliver high efficiency, lower costs, and unmatched productivity for your business. Our machines are designed for low air pressure consumption, which significantly reduces power usage, lowering your production cost. Even with high-speed output of 30 to 35 bags per minute, you get consistent quality with minimal energy waste. Our BCS liner machine switches from hot to cold cutting in under 2 minutes, drastically reducing downtime and boosting productivity, compared to other machines that take over 45 minutes to change. Proudly India-made, it delivers 20 to 30% higher speed productivity compared to other machines worldwide. Spare parts are easily available, making maintenance effortless. Our machine is not only priced lower than competitors, but it also gives you higher output, better energy efficiency, and less downtime. Investing in Five Fingers Exports means more production at less cost. Don't just take our word for it. We provide live demo sessions where clients can test the machine with their own fabric, ensuring full